Okay, guys, so hello and welcome back to Gamers Planet, Gamers Planet for you, and welcome to the fourth episode of GP How To. And guys, so today I'm going to be teaching you how to add a command if you're a mod. This is a frequently asked question. So all you have to do, guys, is commands add, and then guys, you have to put what you're gonna say to Nightbot. So let's say commands add hi, and then you put what Nightbot will say. How about and then soon Nightbot will respond to you. Or one thing you could do is you can put, instead of commands add, you can put add com. It'll still work. And now guys, if I type in that, how many eyes were that? 1, 2. That's uncountable. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Well, yeah, guys. If you do that, okay, wait. How about I put, guys, add com. And then I'm gonna put. Okay, actually, I'm gonna put commands add. Commands add. Okay, so yeah, guys, commands add, and then hi with 2 of them, and then Nightbot will say, yeah. So now, guys, soon Nightbot will respond to me. And now, guys, if I type that in, Nightbot will say the exact same thing. So, look, guys, he replied, yeah. So, guys, hope you enjoyed this stream or this video. Ask me questions in the description for more of what you guys want to learn how to do. But for now, guys, bye.